You need to hear this if you're a homeowner. Imagine walking into a spotless home every day. Sounds dreamy, right? At Aquino's house cleaning business, we're not just cleaning, we're caring. Our experienced team uses top-quality products and advanced equipment to ensure your home is impeccably clean and sanitized. From regular cleaning to deep cleaning, move-in/out, and even office cleaning, we've got you covered. What sets us apart? Our eco-friendly approach. We use non-toxic products that are safe for you and the planet. So you can breathe easy knowing your home is not just clean, but also safe. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. We tailor our services to meet your specific needs and deliver exceptional results every time. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your space is in trusted hands. Ready to experience a spotless home? Contact Aquino's house cleaning business today and let us make your space sparkle. Because you deserve nothing but the best. Trust us, you'll love coming home to a place that's truly clean.